the first thing, if you go to shape, you're going to see whatever's in this square here is the shape of your brush. So you can change this, and there's brushes that have different shapes. This is just a circle one. I'll show you how to change it when we get there. But right now, it's just a circle. And so what this brush is going to do is basically stamp this circle along a path as you're going along. So it's going to stamp circles together. Now if you go back to the stroke path over here, this first one, you see that the first attribute in this thing is spacing. So if I were to increase this, you can kind of see over there in the drawing pad, because it always starts out with a stroke over there, but you can draw yourself as well, that these circles are really spaced out because I increased the spacing. So, and that will get, you can make it even bigger if you make the brush size bigger, and even the preview size in here. So if you go to drawing pad, you can go into all these things. You can increase the preview size, which, see, that made the circles bigger and space is a little bigger as well. But so what that's doing again is stamping that shape over and over again based on how big you have the spacing. Now there's other ways that you can change that as well. You can make it even more of a space in other ways. But it's taking that shape, and it's also, so this one in particular, there's also a grain. So this grain is completely solid. You can also do like a texture kind of thing to that circle or whatever shape you're using. So it's taking a shape and a grain together actually, and basically stamping it along the line. And most brushes have the spacing way down. It was on 17 when we started. And you can see it's just stamping a bunch of circles really close together. So that's how a brush works on Procreate basically. And this is a very simple brush that I picked just to show you this. And the drawing pad kind of is weird sometimes. It doesn't take your whole stroke if it's got too much on there. But you can also clear it here. So clear drawing pad.